Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use CAD Website Builder. CAD is an incredibly user-friendly platform designed for creating stunning one-page websites with ease. It's ideal for showcasing your portfolio, launching a landing page for a project, or building a simple personal site. You don't need any coding knowledge to get started, making it accessible for everyone. CAD offers a free plan, and its pro plans are very affordable, starting at just $9 per year. Once you're ready, you can choose from hundreds of professionally designed, responsive templates, or begin with a blank canvas. CAD's intuitive editor allows you to easily customize every aspect of your site, from background colors and fonts to images and videos. Remember to check your design in mobile view, ensuring your website looks fantastic on all devices. This flexibility helps you create a unique and polished online presence. Adding content is straightforward. Simply click to edit text, upload images, or embed videos. You can add various elements like buttons, lists, and contact forms. Use containers and sections to organize your layout effectively. Upgrading to a Pro plan, which starts at $9 per year, unlocks powerful features such as custom domains, third-party widgets like Stripe and PayPal, and Google Analytics integration for tracking performance. When your site is complete, publishing is just a few clicks away. You can launch your website using a free CAD subdomain, or for a more professional look, connect a custom domain with a Pro standard plan or higher. Before publishing, ensure you add a descriptive title and an SEO-friendly description. This helps search engines understand your site's purpose, making it easier for people to find you online. Congratulations, your site is now live.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.